getting into the bed. Before I got into the bed, I eagerly followed the position of what the people activity and asked for outdoors. I even asked my friend to walk along the beach. We made small kids and shoot plastic bottles with sand in them or cola cans filled with pebbles. We made the noises slowly. Little by little, they all got tired of following me around. I knew it was time to climb out the hill deep. I did a few audition. The first time, I was in disaster. I called, get my breath and I started to cry. I just wanted to run up, but the leader was very understanding. If we keep inside and one month for the following week, it can explain how to relax and do breathing techniques. So I practice every day for me. I went around the house making drum noises, bass noises, and piano sounds, and comfort me out. The next time, I had prepared everything, but I did not play with well enough because I was exposed. But not as much as the first one. I thought the leader that I needed a bit more time. The third time was completely different story. I enjoyed it. Then one Saturday morning, I played in one of the work bed and they just left out. The leader said, "Let's welcome Peter to the bed. He deserves his place." I was just so happy and I was very proud of myself. They gave me the best uniform.